Tug. Tubby the tugboat can huff and puff and push and pull to move big stuff. That's the sound of Tubby the tug. If a boat is stuck and will not budge, Tubby the tugboat can give it a nudge. It's Tubby the trusty tug. If a ship is caught in mud and muck, Tubby the tugboat can get it unstuck. It's Tubby the trusty tug. Can you help Tubby push and pull?